Hey, it's Tim with Hadley Associates. Gonna get ready. We're gonna make a traditional cowboy Thanksgiving. Can't wait to make turkey and all the stuffing for all the team. Come on. All right. It's not Thanksgiving without turkey. So we have our turkey unwrapped because apparently turkeys now come in plastic. Who knew? So let's season this bad boy. A little bit of flesh, a little bit of salt, a little bit of poultry. All the ice helps it stick. We'll put that on there. Now, a little more of this. Yep, turkey's ready to go. I don't know why everybody says these are so hard. Let's go ahead and get that in the oven. I guess we should probably turn the oven on too. So let's hit the start button while we're at it. So now we don't have to worry about turkey anymore. Let's make some fixings. Well, apparently, when you have a frozen turkey, there's still a bag full of parts in the turkey's butt. Who knew? I guess I'll take it out and take everything out of the turkey's butt. And it's still frozen, so it's fine there. I'm sure that's how Grandma used to make it. We'll just cook them right there in the old turkey's butt. Sorry, Mr. Turkey, you go back in there. All right, now the important thing, frozen turkey's in the oven. Now it's time to get a beer, but we don't know that the whole family needs to know we're drinking beer, so we're gonna put it in our coffee cup before anybody gets here, so. Isn't that great? Beer out of a coffee cup, salute. All right, everybody loves corn at Thanksgiving time, so it's important we have the old Mexicorn, because what's better than corn? Mexicorn, of course. Put that right in there. And they say to put some butter, so. Close enough, we don't care. All right, well, 3-second rule, so nobody's here, so that'll go in there. That's just fine. It'll be great. Time to put it in the oven. Okay guys, now we're on to the most important part. First beer, then we're gonna make my special pumpkin surprise pie. When I was a little boy, they made me decide when it's dessert time. Do you want chocolate? Do you get pumpkin? Tell you what, I'm a grown man. I don't have to decide. We're gonna have pumpkin surprise. So we're gonna start out with a little pumpkin pie cone here. That would be great. What we got? So we got a little of this, but what's Thanksgiving without the cranberries? Good knife right there. And now we're gonna put a handful of cranberries because it says Thanksgiving. And now, the important part. We've got our chocolate pudding. I know Grandma used homemade, but who's got time for that homemade stuff anymore? So now we're gonna, just a little bit of chocolate here. We're gonna spread this all around because that's a surprise. Got our pumpkin, we got our chocolate. But, oh, wait a minute. Let me make sure this is all right. Hey, it does work. All right, now let's finish this pumpkin surprise here. It's a little smiley face. That's cute. This will be great. Ready for the in-laws to come over. Pumpkins. Okay guys, just want to tell you, I love Thanksgiving, so you see the outfit. This also works when you're at Hobby Lobby. If you're trying to hide from the wife, you spray yourself with a little pumpkin spice spray. You got this. It works like a ghillie suit right here in Hobby Lobby. It's so basic, they'll never find you. I just heard the smoke detector, so hell, it must be time to take this stuff out of the oven. But first we need to finish beer. We have no riding gloves. I guess I'll wear the wife's oven mitts. If you're a tough cowboy, you don't care if it has random wine and cheese on your oven mitts. So first we start off with this Mexicorn. Well,
that doesn't look right here.
okay, but we got the turkey here, so ready for everybody to come over.
Oh my God, what'd you do to the turkey?
That's what happens to my socks too. That's why I don't do a lot of domestic stuff. Good thing I'm better at selling parms than I am at making dinner. All right, we've got our pumpkin surprise pie. We've got our amazing turkey, properly seasoned.
What happened to the turkey?
It's fine. Just trust me, it'll be fine. It worked for Jesus, it'll work for us. And then we have our mix of corn here. So it may look funny, but it's still delicious. And the important part, we got 11 more of these in the fridge, so I don't care if the in-laws come over or not. Okay, from Hadley Associates to all of you,
Happy Thanksgiving!